Nothing is ever yours. Your belongings will pass on to another or return to the earth. Your partner cannot be possessed, nor should you try to possess them. Press your fingertips against the mirror. What you see is temporary, falling through time, like change from an old pocket, but behind it all, a pure silver screen reflects an experience back to you. Your thoughts, emotions, and sense of a body are just birds flying through a vast, open sky with a message written in their wings. Step 1, let go a little. Step 2, let go a lot. Step 3, let go completely. With nothing left to cling to in the vast void, there is finally empty, marvelous peace.